why Dollar Tree showing out like this? I said, why is Dollar Tree showing out like this? You see my lips? Oh yes, Dollar Tree for the win. Who knew? All right, beautiful people. Did you guys happen to see this? If you've seen it, what is it? Honey, the only thing I can do is bring you the heat out in these Dollar Tree streets. That's all I could do. That's all I can do. You see the blush. You see the lips. You see the highlighter. You see it. Honey, these items came from Dollar Tree, $1.25. You feel me? So you know I'm here to deliver, and that's word to the mother and a brother. Oh yeah, we out in these Dollar Tree streets. I'm just bringing you all the tea. Check this out. New at Dollar Tree is the Sweet Shop nails, lips, and more sweetest cosmetic collection, honey. Get into it, girls. Now, these nails, 12 nails you get the sweetest nails ever. Forever, ever. Look at this, the ice cream cones. Honey, I cannot make this stuff up. They also have the ice pops over here. There's, lip gloss. Okay, get into it, girls. Get into it. And then they also have the candy over here. Look how cute this is, this lip gloss. Honey, Easter baskets, this is a must. Then they also have the lip duo. Not only do you get the lip gloss, but you also get the chapstick. This has vitamin E and shea butter in there. Infused lip duo. Child, they also have the nail polishes over here as well. This is a duo. Honey, I'm just Dina, bringing you all the tea and the heat. Okay, all at the same time. Gonna have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets. Look at this. How cute. How cute is this? You see this? Huh? Amazing to say the least. Now, Dollar Tree has this LA Colors. This is the cherry. Very cherry, that is. Now, this is going to tint your lips pink. $1.25. Oh, yes, honey. We just get into it the way we do it. Let's go. Is the very cherry. Now, this is a lip gloss that is going to turn your lips from clear to like a pink tint. Now, these come in two different forms. They have the lip gloss, and I think the other one is like a lip mask or so. And it smells wonderful. Nothing like, you see the way my lips is now? You get what I'm saying? You see where I'm going with this, girls? You see where I'm going with it? Lips feels amazing. Did you guys see this? At Dollar Tree, I'm just Dina, the fabulous MC, in a place to be. This is the lip mask. Honey, it has things in here like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. This is $1.25. You feel me? The gorgeous, this is Be Pure. This is hydrating a lip balm. It has things in here like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and it's okay with me. Now, I had tried this yesterday, and it was really good. I mean, I really, really liked it. My lips, well moisturized, as you can see, doll faces. I have absolutely nothing on my lips right now, but this was good. Nice and soft. And it smells good. It has like a strawberry scent. Absolutely amazing. $1.25 for the win. All right, beautiful people. Did you guys happen to see this? If you've seen it, what is it? Have you seen this? What is it? No, this is the Hair Wax Slick Stick Amber Glow. Honey, it's the wax slick stick for me at Dollar Tree. I'm just giving you all the tea. This is $1.25. Now, the next thing that Dollar Tree has is this Amber Glow. Now, somebody has said in the comments that Dollar Tree has been receiving a lot of Amber Glow. To tell you the truth, this is the first time I'm actually seeing Amber Glow at Dollar Tree that I recall. I see so many items. But this is the Hair Wax Slick Stick. Now, the way this smell, and as you can see, I tried this out yesterday. The way this smells so good. And when they said, like, it don't stick, they really meant, like, it really don't stick. Like, sticky. It's not sticky, I meant to say. And I love the fact that, you know, as I'm putting it on my edges over here, that it has like a shine to it. You get what I'm saying? Like, I love that about this. This is good. I would definitely get this again. Definitely. My loves, have you seen this? This is from LA Colors. This is the Blush Lighter Liquid Shimmer Cosmetic. I think this had $1.25 in a place to be. Now, they also have this one as well. This one is called Cherished. Ooh, like you better cherish these videos, okay? And then they also have this one. This one is called Carefree, like me, $1.25. Love this. Now, all of these are blush lighters. All right, lovelies, we have the blush lighters from LA Colors. Let me tell you something. LA Colors, you doing your thing like a chicken wing, honey. So, this one, I done took the tags off because I tried this yesterday. But what I love about this is the applicator is really good. I mean, it's huge. Okay. I'm just gonna put one on that side so you guys can like have a visual. All right, so we just gonna blend, blend, blend. This is for the wind. And you know, if you just want to put some more, okay, because maybe you like it a little brighter, a little brighter, then you ain't nothing to it but to do it, okay, Dollface, just do it. Ooh, ooh. Okay, oh Dina, who is she? Let me get into it. And you know what I like about this blush? It has this shimmer to it, you know, so it shimmers. I absolutely love this. Now, my brush that I'm using is a little wet. Love this. On a scale 1 through 10, I want you guys to rate this. Now, the next one we have up is this one. And I know they probably look the same. This one is darker. And then we have this like light pink. Now, I'm going to just put this over here. Just so you guys can, you know, so you can see. Which one you guys like? This one or that one? Me personally, I'm liking this one for some reason or another. Now, one thing about blush, I thought it was just pretty much just powder brush, but it's liquid blush too. Like if you have enlarged pores, right? At times I do have enlarged pores. One of the things that you can do is it's good to have like a toner, right? Like to put a toner on your face before you apply like the makeup and stuff. The next one we have, this one is like more so of a gold shade, a gold tint. Okay, and I'm just gonna put this up here, you know, just so you gorgeous folks can see. You know, I want you to see how this do me. And we just gonna have to use our hands at this point, child. You know what? I could have even put it like up under my brow bone. Oh, Lordy. All right, my loves. Which one are you going for? Which colors are you going for? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? All right, family. So if you guys are looking for makeup wipes, Dollar Tree has the Global Beauty makeup wipes. It soothes, it cleanses, and it gently removes makeup. You get 25 of these for $1.25. This is for sensitive skin. Oh, this is for the one. Love this. What about this? Did you guys happen to see this? This is the texturizing wave spray. This has stuff in here like coconut. This is the creamy coconut, creates beachy waves, enhances texture, and builds body. $1.25. Oh, yes. Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for a moisturizer that has a jojoba oil in there, cherry oil in there, sheer moisturizer, honey, it's gonna be this. This is new from Be Pure, $1.25. Honey, I'm just in a place to be, moving my feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. A High Shine lipstick, Dollar Tree in a place to be. From Be Pure, High Shine lipstick. They have the rosy. We have the berry like the cherry, $1.25. All right, Sugarfoot, you looking for a nail polish? Oh, yes. So Dollar Tree has 2 nail polishes for the price of one, $1.25. Oh, let's have some fun. Not only do they have these colors, they have much more where that came from. But check out what it says. It says, get stunning. Nails in the snap. Goes on smoothly. That's where it's at. Fast drying. Now, I put that's where it's at. You like that? Well, what about this? And if you say, Dina, that is not my color. Well, girl, get this. What about this? Oh, you see? You see? Love this. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Looky, looky, cookie. Now, you guys know I'm very mindful about what I put in my hair. Now, but Dollar Tree has the Amber Glow. This is the overnight hydration mask. It has stuff in here like keratin oil, amla oil, and infused. All right, family, so Dollar Tree has so many amazing finds. Oh, my goodness. When I tell you they out here delivering. Well, actually, I'm the one that's delivering, okay? Now, if you guys are in a certain state, okay, that maybe you don't see the items that was shown in a video, I am now taking orders, okay. This is my first order. Shout out to Dawn, okay, on Facebook. She had wanted me to do shopping for her. I do charge a shopping fee. The shopping fee is like $12, and then you pay for the merchandise while I'm in the store, and then also you pay for the shipping. So if that sounds like a steal deal and you want your box to look like good old Dawn box, honey, send me a message. Peace. Oh, look at Dawn box. So this is pretty much Dawn's box right here, all the goodies, and this is her receipt.